Hey parents! Welcome to Elite Finance Insights, the place where you manage money for your kids' future the right way. No fluff, no empty promises, just real, actionable tips that'll actually make a difference for your family. Let's go! Today, we're tackling a topic that's close to the hearts of many parents: finding affordable childcare. We all know how important it is to provide our little ones with a nurturing and stimulating environment. But let's face it, childcare costs can be a little scary. But don't worry, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be a constant source of stress. Finding affordable childcare can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. It's like trying to find a parking spot on a busy day. You think you'll never find one, and then, bam! Someone pulls out and you hit the jackpot. That's what we're aiming for here, hitting the childcare jackpot. With the right tools and a little bit of know-how, you can absolutely discover options that suit both your budget and your child's needs. Stick around because I'm sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks that will make your search a whole lot easier. We're talking insider secrets here, people. Get ready to take notes because we're about to unlock the world of affordable childcare together. All right, let's kick things off with the easiest and most convenient tool in our arsenal, the internet. It's a treasure trove of information right at your fingertips. It's the same place you go to find out what that rash might be, or to check the weather for the weekend, except now you're using it for something way more important: your precious little ones. The internet can be a powerful ally in your quest for the perfect childcare. First things first, fire up your favorite search engine and type in childcare near me. It's a simple step that opens up a world of possibilities. Go ahead, I'll wait. See, tons of options pop up, right? It's like a buffet of choices, each one catering to different needs and preferences. Websites and apps like care.com or winnie.com are specifically designed to connect parents with childcare providers. Talk about a lifesaver. These platforms are built to make your search as easy and efficient as possible. The best part? You can filter your search based on your specific needs. This means you can narrow down your options to find exactly what you're looking for. Looking for a specific age range? Check. Need someone who's comfortable with pets? Double check. You can even find providers who specialize in things like music education or foreign languages. It's like having a personalized search engine just for your childcare needs. It's like building your dream childcare experience from the comfort of your own couch. But wait, there's more. Before you get too click-happy, take a peek at the reviews and ratings. These are like gold nuggets of information from other parents who have been there, done that. Seeing what they have to say about a particular provider can give you valuable insights and help you make a more informed decision. It's like having a community of parents guiding you. Remember, not all heroes wear capes. Some just leave glowing reviews about amazing childcare providers. So, take your time, read through those reviews, and make the best choice for your family. Happy searching! Okay, next up, let's talk about the power of word of mouth. It's an age-old method that still holds incredible value today. Because sometimes, the best recommendations come from the people we trust the most: our friends, family, and even our coworkers. These are the people who know us well and understand our needs. Don't be shy, reach out to your network and see if they have any hidden gems to share. You might be surprised at the wealth of information they have. Think about it. Who knows your neighborhood better than your neighbor who just happens to have a kid the same age as yours? They might have insights that you won't find anywhere else. They might have the inside scoop on a fantastic home-based daycare that's not even listed online. These hidden gems can be lifesavers. Talk about a win-win. You get reliable information, and they get to help out a fellow parent. And hey, while you're at it, why not strike up a conversation at your local park or community center? These places are hubs of activity and information. You never know who you might meet. A casual chat could lead to valuable connections and resources. Another parent might just become your new best friend. And who knows, they might have some great tips and tricks up their sleeve. Plus, they might also introduce you to their amazing babysitter, who just happens to have Tuesdays and Thursdays free. It's all about building a network of support. It's like networking, but for childcare. The more people you connect with, the more resources you'll have at your disposal. Remember, finding affordable childcare is a team effort. It takes a village to raise a child, and your community is a vital part of that village. So don't be afraid to ask for help, share your experiences, and lean on your community for support. Everyone benefits when we work together. Because let's be honest, parenting is hard enough as it is. We might as well help each other out, right? Together, we can make the journey a little bit easier. All right, now let's talk about those magical words. Flexible childcare arrangements. These arrangements can be a lifesaver for busy parents. Because let's face it, not every family needs full-time care. Sometimes a few hours here and there can make all the difference. Maybe you only need someone to watch your little one a couple of days a week, or just for a few hours in the afternoon. Or maybe you're looking for after-school care to bridge the gap between school and when you get home from work. Whatever your situation, there are options out there for you. It's all about finding what works best for your family's unique needs. First up, check out local community centers or places of worship. These places often have programs designed to help families. They often offer part-time or drop-in programs at a fraction of the cost of traditional daycare centers. It's a budget-friendly option. Plus, it's a great way for your child to socialize and make new friends. Social interaction is crucial for their development. Another option to explore is a childcare co-op. This can be a fantastic community-building experience. This is where a group of parents pool their resources and take turns caring for each other's children. It's a collaborative effort. It's like a built-in support system, and a great way to save money on childcare costs. Everyone benefits from the shared responsibility. Plus, you get to meet other parents who understand the joys and challenges of raising little humans. It's a bonding experience. And hey, if you have family nearby, don't be afraid to ask for help. Family support can be invaluable. Grandparents, aunts, and uncles are often more than happy to spend quality time with their littlest family members. It's a special bond. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So explore your options and find the best fit for your family. Now, let's talk about a topic that can sometimes feel a little intimidating but is incredibly important: government assistance programs and local grants. Trust me, there's no shame in asking for a little help. Many communities offer resources specifically designed to support families with childcare costs. We're talking about programs like Head Start and the Childcare and Development Fund. These programs provide financial assistance to eligible families, making quality childcare more accessible. The best way to find out what's available in your area is to contact your local Department of Human Services or Childcare Resource and Referral Agency. They can walk you through the application process and answer any questions you might have. And don't forget to check with your employer. Some companies offer childcare assistance programs or have partnerships with local providers that offer discounted rates to employees. It's always worth asking. Remember, these programs exist for a reason, to help families thrive. So please, don't hesitate to take advantage of the resources available to you. Finding affordable childcare might feel like searching for a unicorn, but I promise you, it's out there. It just takes a little bit of research, a dash of creativity, and a whole lot of patience. Remember, every family is different, and what works for one family might not work for another. The most important thing is to find a childcare solution that meets your family's unique needs and budget. Don't be afraid to try different options until you find the perfect fit. And hey, while you're on the hunt for the perfect childcare provider, don't forget to take care of yourself too. Parenting is a marathon, not a sprint, and it's essential to prioritize your well-being. So go ahead, treat yourself to a massage or a night out with friends. You deserve it. Well, there you have it, folks. My top secret, totally foolproof tips for finding affordable childcare. I hope you found this video helpful and maybe even a little bit entertaining. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. If you know a parent who's struggling with childcare costs, please share this video with them. Let's spread the word that affordable childcare is possible. And hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to my channel for more parenting tips, tricks, and heartwarming stories? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and resources. Until next time, keep on rocking parenthood.